Sometimes all that is required is a new pot to actually reignite one's interest in home cooking. And I got myself a new pot and I'm feeling excited about it, and this is actually my first meal being cooked in this red pan. Yeah. So we're doing actually some eggplant. Stir-fried eggplant. Actually, it's stir-fried chicken eggplant. Or eggplant and chicken stir-fried. Either would do. In here I have onion, garlic, cayenne pepper, celery, and I'm gonna stir that up. I first started by adding some vegetable oil to the base of the pan. I then added the onion, garlic, pepper, and celery. And now I'm going to add my chicken. Yep, chicken. And I'm going to stir that all up. Increase the heat a tad bit. And this actually is going to be served with a side of field pea, actually pigeon pea rice, which has been boiled pigeon pea rice. So now we're going to add our sliced eggplant. Yeah. These are local eggplants. Sliced. And I'm going to stir that up with the chicken. So we're mixing our sliced eggplant with our chicken, our garlic, our onion, our pepper, and our celery, mixing it all up, and we're gonna let that simmer in its own liquid for a few minutes. Just for a few minutes. Yeah, so let's come back and chat on our dish. Oh, wow, nice. Nice. It's actually softening. Oh, coming up. Very soft consistency. Very good. Good, our eggplant here, and our chicken is pretty much cooked. That's our dish. Now, it's time to actually add our herbs, and we're going to add some mixed herbs. We're going to add a piece of margarine. Give it some flavor. It's actually mellow cream. Adds a nice flavor. We want some salt. Tad bit more water to actually cover the base. And we're gonna let that cook up with the herbs and the salt that I just added. So the herbs could be chopped thyme, oregano, basil, Italian herbs, whatever herbs you choose to actually put in. It really is your choice, but the mixed herbs give it a nice flavor. That's nice. Good, so we've got our very good. Good. Our stir-fried chicken and eggplant served with a side of rice.